أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn the next line of this lesson. We will start from here. The first one word has three letters. The first letter is Jim. The sound of Jim is Ja, Ja. The next letter is Ain. The sound of Ain is A. Lam sound is La. Ja'ala, Ja'ala. Next word has Fa'ala, Fa'ala. The next letter has Nazara, Nazara. The next one has Zakara, Zakara. The next one has kasaba, kasaba, kasaba. Alif kasra mean it sounds e. Ba kasra b. Lam and kasra li. Ebili, ebili, ebili. This word is different from the previous words because this word has not fatha sign. This word only have a kasra sign. This word has kasra sign. Ebili, ebili. This word has a dhamma sign. This word has three letters. The three letters have dhamma sign. Ru, ra, dhamma ru, sin, dhamma su, rusu, lam, dhamma lu, rusulu, rusulu, rusulu. This word sad, ha, and fa. Sad has dhamma sign, so it sounds su. Ha has dhamma sign, it sounds hu. Fa and dhamma fu. Suhufu, suhufu, thulusu, thulusu.